I strongly condemn what has happened, insulting St. Francis Xavier, and it is hurting all the devotees, all the followers of St. Francis Xavier. हातून एक पॅटर्न आसा, ह्या BJP सरकारान हो पॅटर्न केल्लो आसा, सिस्टमॅटीक कॅल्क्युलेटेड मुव्स. वास्को जालो, काल पणजे जालो. नाव हे कित्याक करतात? टू हाईड द फेलियर. दे आर फेल्ड एज अ गव्हर्मेंट, फेल्ड इन गव्हर्नन्स. वास्को पळय, एक मंत्री आसा, 2 MLA आसा BJPचे. पणजे तांचो प्रेसिडेंट आसा आनी ताजे उपरांत रोखडो चीफ मिनिस्टर आयला. सो आय थिंक सो हे कोणाक BJP सरकारान कोणाक हाडटात ते आनी हांगा स्टेटमेंट दिता टू हर्ट रिलिजियस सेंटिमेंट्स, where the devotees of St. Francis Xavier are from all communities. Whether it is Catholic, Hindu, Muslim, all go there. So this is what they are trying to target, put a divide among the communities. हे गोंयान सक्सीड जावचें ना. Goa is an epitome of communal harmony. For centuries we have lived as brothers and sisters. So this pattern of BJP I strongly condemn, and the people will reject all these attempts. The more the government fails on all fronts, whether it is security, safety of women, inflation, unemployment, drugs, prostitution, all sorts of things are thriving under this BJP rule, under Dr. Pramod Sawant Sarkar. And to cover up and divert attention, हे सगळे करतले. हांव गोंयकारांकूय सांगता, we will do whatever possible to take action against this such attempts, but we will also maintain our calm and also maintain communal harmony. जे आमकां सदांच आमी भाव भयणी कशे सगळे धर्माचे लोक हांगा गोंयांत रावल्या पळय ते, हे सगळे भायल्यांक हाडून झगडी लावपाचो हो पॅटर्न, आनी मागीर डॅमेज करतकूच आमकां खबरूच नाशिल्ली तो हें उलयतलो म्हूण. दिस इज ऑल अ स्क्रिप्ट which has been prepared by the BJP government.